Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Subaru Forester headrest. Proper headrest positioning is crucial for safety, especially in rear-end collisions. It helps prevent whiplash by supporting your head and neck. You want the top of the headrest to be level with the top of your head or as close as possible. This simple adjustment can significantly reduce injury risk. To adjust your headrest vertically, first locate the small button at the base of one of the headrest posts. Press and hold this button to disengage the internal locking mechanism. While holding the button, slide the headrest up or down to achieve the correct height. Once it's in the ideal position, release the button and give it a gentle tug to ensure it's securely locked. Certain Subaru Forester models also allow for a tilting adjustment, offering even more personalized comfort. To tilt the headrest, gently pull it forward. You'll feel it click into different positions or detense. If you pull it all the way forward, it will release and spring back to its original, most upright position. This can be particularly helpful for finding optimal neck support during longer drives. Before every drive, always double-check that your headrest is securely locked in place. A loose headrest offers no protection. Remember, the goal is to have the top of the headrest at least as high as the top of your ears, ideally level with the top of your head. Never remove your headrest unless specifically instructed for maintenance, as it's a critical safety component. Proper adjustment can reduce neck injury risk by approximately 11%.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.